So today we're going to take a look at KUXIU's MagSafe flexible stand case. I have this one here, which is for my iPhone 16 Pro, and you can also get it for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The one I have here is in grey, but you can also get it in black. So let's go open it up and we'll take a look. So you can see here I have it for the iPhone 16 Pro and I've got it in grey. Okay, so first up we can see that we have the MagSafe ring here with the KUXIU branding on it, and this actually comes out to be a kickstand. Oh, and it also rotates. That's cool. And so we have our buttons here for our speakers and our USB-C port, and the camera control is a cutout, and then we have our button here, and around the camera is sitting out a little bit, which is good so your camera doesn't rub on anything. So let's pop this in. So this is what the camera control button looks like. It's nice and protected, but still room to use it properly. And then we'll check out it's got a nice click to it. So yeah, the buttons are really nice. This grey colour looks really nice with the desert titanium. I quite like the way it looks. And so you can use the stand like this. You could even use it on the side. After taking a closer look, I've noticed that the edge doesn't raise up a whole lot. Like, it seems to be just enough to protect it. And on the corners, it's raised slightly more. When I put it down flat, I can feel that it's rubbing on the case, not the screen, which is good. So it is protecting the screen. It's only raised a very small bit. So it does make it feel like quite slim. Like, it doesn't feel as bulky as other cases, and it is quite nice to hold in the hand. The material that they use feels really nice. And so this doesn't, a little bit on the camera control, it has a little bit of wiggle, but the rest is quite stiff. So yeah, and I really like this stand, that's really cool. And it's quite stiff, it's not super floppy, so it's not going to be flopping out. Okay, so I just want to test to make sure that it's going to still wirelessly charge with this MagSafe ring. So I've got my KUXIU 3-in-1 wireless charger, and we'll just connect it. And so you can see it connects. It does have a bit of a wobble because obviously the open, but I don't feel like it's coming off. And yep, so you can see it's charging there, so that's good. It seems to be all right. It does have a little bit of a wiggle when it was on the charger, but obviously when it's just sitting there on the charger, it's going to be completely fine. So I don't have any worries about that. We can also just test it out with this MagSafe wallet. So we can just attach it, and that attaches really good. This magnet seems to be pretty strong. So yeah, that seems to work pretty well. So overall, I really like how it looks. I think it's really nice, and it's going to be so nice having a phone with a kickstand, because I'm always trying to lean my phone on things when I'm watching stuff. The buttons are really nice to click, and the camera control cutout works well. The only issue I have is I wish that they put a slightly more of a raised edge around here. Like, it is protected, but I think if it just had that little bit more, it would have been better. But it does feel really nice and slim, which is good. I like how it feels in the hand. It feels really good. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.